There's the guy.
Hi guys, so we are at Claypole level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe, Adam and Golden Minecart. Doesn't bang as bang as it used to do. There we go. Now, the time is 11:15 on Saturday the 26th of September 2000. This is for... Come on, load. This is for 11:18, 1 Delta 09, Virgin Trains East Coast Service from the Lincolnshire Cross to Leeds. Pardon? Look, you can tell this new barrier, look. A new barrier. The thing's not new. It's Smith's Industries. This is
very new.
This is, but this isn't. It's a Smith's Industries barrier. God, it's got loads of weights. Hey? We will get to North Muscombe, yes. We get to go to those crossings in between. Depends how long your dad stays out for. We'll get nice and far today. We might avoid Boulderton because that's down for too long.
I don't like all stiff ends, so I'm not Barry is leaking that side, Joe. Look.
Where's it coming from this way?
I think so.
Yeah. You can tell why it bangs because oil spewed out of it.
Yeah.
And that's why. Because when you came last time, it slowed down.
Maybe it's oil that unlocks the box.
The barrier slowed down a lot more when you came here a few months ago. And the last time you did come here was ages ago, wasn't it, Joe? These two alarms sound like Taxby's and the interesting as well. They like sound identical. The only difference is that these ones are like twice as slow. Taxby's are like these alarms in double stay, basically.
We had I had to stay for 3 times.
What, here?
Like 8 o'clock?
Matthew's Corpus
love
Crossing
to.
go up and down.
So you can get late shots.
Joe's Corpus
Get right the way down to Doncaster.
Oh, here she is!
91 101! 91 101 to 82 202 to Leeds, and up they go. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video.